Okay, everybody, we are here in the Audi R8. Gonna go run some errands really quickly, pick up some baby formula, some dog food, cat food. You already know everybody in the house has got to eat, so keeping the family fed, one trip at a time. I don't have this car for much longer, so I decided to take it out for this grocery run. Got a little drive-in before WizOfEcom picks up his baby again. Shout out to Wiz for letting me drive this car. Honestly, super crazy machine. Crazy. No other words to describe this. Now, one thing I did want to talk about is, I don't know if you guys have looked at the new Jaguar branding. If you haven't already, go ahead and take a look at it. But me personally, I am not vibing with it, guys. I liked Jaguar back in the day because it used to remind me of old school classiness, like, you know, just boss vibes. And now it's done a complete 360. They're trying to be all modern and goofy and friendly, which is not my vibe, not my style, especially not for the brand Jaguar, right? That's not what it used to mean to me. But yeah, let me know down in the comment what you guys are thinking. Like I said, me personally, not a fan, but you know, it's just because it's not my cup of tea doesn't mean it's not your cup of tea, right? So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Now let's go ahead and give it a little bit of gas here now that it's all warm. Oh my god, what? I was not expecting that. That came out of nowhere, honestly. Wow. Make our way towards this Walmart in here. I'm praying that they have the formula that we need. All right, luckily they have the Enfamil A+. Let's grab the lower ones. That's good. That's good, yeah. Thanks. Oh, is there a limit on how many you can buy? Ah, okay, that's okay. Thank you. Honestly, Wiz was right. This makes for an excellent grocery getter. Secured the grocery haul. As you guys can see, we are good to go. We have one more stop before we head home. Go ahead and pick it up once we start driving. Wow. This is a different driving experience. It's just a different experience. Wow. I love this house. Look at that. Not the house necessarily, just the driveway setup. I'm just so into a big driveway with a gate right now. What is this, a golf course here on the left? I love doing that downshift button press. It's so nice. Wow, this thing just picks up as soon as you need the power. The NA life is different. Like, turbos are nice, but the lag on the turbos, like, you feel it every time. NA though, oh my god. As soon as you demand the power, it's there. Like, no questions asked. No ID, no tip button, nothing. You want power, you got it. Wow. Wiz, I have never launched your car, but I need to do it just once. I hope you do not get upset. I just have to do it once. Oh, it's too bad it can't be in. Oh my God. Wow. I don't know if this has like, this definitely has some sort of like launch control system somewhere. I just don't know how to enable it. There's no way this doesn't, but wow, 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 wow. Launching this versus the M8, it's pretty similar, but you definitely feel this in your stomach way more. Way more. Wow. This is just driving differently. It's just a different machine. Oh my God. Dirt. Get all love out of there. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Wow. That's a nice car.
Thanks, man.
I mean, technology is wisdom too, right? We're taking wisdom and applying it ways to get further wisdom, right? You're taking wisdom to get more wisdom. That's what science is. With wisdom, you gain more wisdom, it increases. But you know, I gotta show you a crazy graph when we link in person next time. I mapped out the point.